Welcome to the ArxPlatform tutorial, where we will examine all the system's features and demonstrate how to tailor the dashboard to your organizational requirements. Before logging in, it's important to review the Virtual Appliance Security Guide that was provided during the project onboarding. This will align the appliance's settings with your organization's specific security needs. Once you navigate to the ArxPlatform Customer Portal login page, you can log in with your customer credentials. The information presented to you upon logging in can be customized based on the role you have been assigned by your organization. However, for this instructional video, we will be using a super admin view to review all the platform's functionalities. As a new customer, you'll want to begin to build your inventory. To begin this process, you'll navigate to the Credentials tab. Here, you can add and manage credentials for various environments, like VMware, Azure, AWS, Nutanix, and OCI, tailoring the portal to your specific needs. Let's start by adding a VMware inventory. Select VMware from the Inventory Type drop-down menu. Enter the host, username, and password. Hit Submit. If successfully added, you will see some confirmation prompts. For Nutanix, you would follow the same steps. You'll select Nutanix from the drop-down menu, enter the host, username, and password, and click Submit. If adding AWS, you'll need an access key and your secret key. Click Submit. And if adding Oracle Cloud, select OCI. Give it a name, enter a username, fingerprint, tenancy, and region. You'll also need to upload or paste your key file. Once you hit Submit, the system will begin scanning your inventory. Depending how much inventory you have entered, this could take minutes or hours to complete. Once completed, navigate back to your inventory information to view the inventory that has been populated. You have the option to view the inventory grouped by data centers, clusters, hypervisors, or hosts. Now you will need to add credentials for Windows and Linux environments to begin scanning the inventory that you just added. Navigate back to the Credentials tab and select Windows OS from the menu. Add in the name, username, password, and click Submit. For Unix and Linux, again, enter the name, username, and password. You are also able to use SSH keys. This begins the scanning process, updating your inventory with relevant data. Once updated, you'll navigate to the Applications tab. This section will display all detected applications. In this example, that includes Oracle databases, middleware, and Java. For the next step, navigate to Entitlements to manage your software licenses. Here, you can add licenses either individually or in bulk using the Excel template. Once you've uploaded entitlements, you will want to assign them to the inventory. Click on the License Assignments tab, where you can assign licenses to specific hypervisors or entire clusters. Once completed, when you return to the dashboard, you'll find updated insights. The dashboard will now display information on license shortages, costs, and an exposure chart for enhanced license management. In the System Alerts and Notifications section, monitor your environment for any issues. These sections help in identifying and addressing potential compliance issues or connectivity issues, scanning environments, and providing necessary resolution tools. In the whitelist area, use the settings to exclude certain environments from scanning. You can add to the whitelist by inventory selection or via pattern matching. Finally, configure your mail settings to make sure the right people stay up to date on the status of the ArxPlatform monitoring your environment. This completes the tutorial of the ArxPlatform Customer Portal. Should you have any additional questions or concerns, you can file a ticket or contact the distribution list, and our team will assist you.